It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we are going to create a 3D art storage frame. Make a beautiful open-topped frame to display your artwork and double up as a useful storage for all the art you create. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need to make a 3D art storage frame include a recycled box or carton, a piece of cardboard, scissors, paint and a paintbrush, a hot glue gun, embellishments and decorative items, tape, and paint pens, which is optional. Let's create. To begin, cut out a large rectangle or frame shape from one side of your box. Next, cut off any flaps from the top of your box to leave it open. For a landscape frame, tape the top of the box and cut out a side edge to make an open top. Then, measure and cut a piece of cardboard so that it fits inside your box. Insert the cardboard into the box, leaving a little room to later insert your artwork. Use a little hot glue on the sides of your cardboard to secure it. Then, paint the entire outside of the box in any color or colors you like. Once your paint is dry, decorate the outside of your frame with any embellishments or add detail with paint pens. Then, pop some artwork in your frame and store more of your favorite creations in the space behind. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.
It's time to